What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best mini PCs in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We'll kick things off with the Asus Chromebox 4, the best Chrome mini PC available on the market in 2023. The versatile and affordable desktop system fits seamlessly into any setting, making it ideal for home, office, retail, or educational environments. The Chromebox 4 mini desktop is powered by a dual-core Intel Core i3 processor and 8 GB of memory, allowing for fast launching and multitasking of various Chrome OS applications. Its space-saving design measures 5.84 by 5.84 by 1.57 inches and weighs only 2.2 pounds, ideal for reducing desktop clutter. The Chromebox 4 also includes a lockable VESA mount with a rubber baffle that protects it from everyday wear and tear and allows you to attach it to a variety of surfaces. It can also be attached to the back of a monitor, turning the display into an all-in-one system. With 2 HDMI ports and a USB Type-C port, the Chromebox 4 can connect up to 3 compatible external 4K monitors, making multitasking efficient with a large viewing area. Additionally, 5 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports can transfer up to 10 GB per second with compatible devices. Its USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C port supports both power and DisplayPort over USB-C connectivity. Integrated 802.11 AK Wi-Fi and a Gigabit Ethernet port provide fast and smooth 4K video streaming, data transfer, video chat, and more. The Chromebox 4 is also designed to withstand everyday knocks and extreme conditions, having undergone rigorous vibration, drop, and temperature tests ranging from -40 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The Chromebox 4 runs a wide range of Chrome OS apps that work both online and offline. You can store your documents and media in Google Drive to sync with other devices and collaborate on projects with colleagues. Chromebox 4 also ensures security, automatically downloading updates to protect against viruses, malware, and other threats. Designed with security in mind, the Chromebox 4 has a protected and encapsulated security chip of the microcontroller on the board, shielding the internal data from threats. Additionally, it has a Kensington lock slot to prevent theft, with account-based access to shared workspaces. Google designed Chrome OS to work exclusively with downloadable web and Android apps, reflecting a minimalist interface inspired by the Google Chrome web browser. The Chrome OS is built for users who spend a significant amount of time on a computer connected to the internet. Thumbs up! As game enthusiasts, it's essential to have a computer that can handle all the latest titles without lag or delay. However, with limited desk space, not everyone can accommodate bulky gaming rigs. Luckily, the Corsair One i300 is here to solve your space problems. The Corsair brand is no stranger to creating powerful gaming computers, but the Corsair One i300 takes it to the next level. This sleek mini PC boasts an Intel Core i9-12900K processor, top-of-the-line DDR5 memory, and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti GPU for unmatched power in a compact design. One of the most impressive features of the Corsair One i300 is its fully liquid-cooled system. Not only does this make for almost silent operation, but it also ensures that your components stay cool and perform optimally. The liquid radiators for cooling the processor and graphics card are located behind the perforated side panels, while the top 140mm fan draws in cool air and quietly ejects it upwards. Despite its small form factor, the Corsair One i300 does not skimp on connectivity options. The front-mounted ports include a headphone jack, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, and a single USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port. The power button is conveniently located at the top, and the bolt-on RGB lighting running down the front panel is configurable via the Corsair iQ app. Additionally, the Corsair One i300 doesn't sacrifice power and performance for its compact design. It comes with 32 GB of RAM, which is sure to be ample for most users' needs. It's remarkable that Corsair managed to fit full-fat desktop components into a 15 by 6.9 by 7.9 inch HVD frame, yielding just 12 liters of interior space. The all-metal body exudes quality, and there are no bad corners. The aluminum side panel boasts a lovely black finish, and there are 2 RGB LED strips running down the front of the unit. The tower isn't prone to tipping over, as most of its 17.4-pound weight is at its base, where the power supply is located. Furthermore, the power supply is specialized but industry-standard SFX form factor Corsair FS750 that supplies 750 watts. In tests, the Corsair One i300 performed exceptionally well. It easily outperformed Ryzen-powered rivals and was competitive with other Core i9 12900K machines for top honors. With its impressive technical capabilities, the Corsair One i300 is undoubtedly a remarkable feat of engineering. Good stuff. Looking for a mini PC that offers top-of-the-line performance? Look no further than the Intel NUC 9 Pro Kit, the best premium mini PC available in 2023. This mini PC packs a punch by combining performance, power, and space for memory and expansion cards all in one tiny package. The Intel NUC 9 Pro offers something unique to the world of small systems, with a powerful workstation tucked into one of the smallest desktop designs available. With a discrete graphics card inside, the Intel NUC 9 Pro stands out from other mini PCs with Intel Xeon processing, NVIDIA Quadro P2200 graphics, and plenty of space for memory and expansion cards. While larger than previous NUC designs, the 9.4-inch by 8.5-inch by 3.8-inch desktop is still built for performance, with grills on both sides of the compact chassis. The Intel NUC 9 Pro uses Intel's new compute element, an enclosed cartridge-like board that houses the motherboard, processor, and other internal components, allowing for easy access to the internals. Equipped with an Intel Xeon E2286M processor and NVIDIA Quadro P2200 graphics, this mini PC packs the kind of power needed for engineering and professional 3D applications. According to user reviews, the NUC 9 Pro's powerful 8-core CPU is capable of handling 16 discrete processing threads with ease. Paired with NVIDIA Quadro P2200 graphics, the NUC 9 Pro firmly falls in the workstation category, making it the perfect choice for power users. While the Intel NUC 9 Pro is significantly larger than previous NUC designs, it's not quite large enough to add a full-size GPU. However, it does have a case that can be easily opened with a screwdriver, providing access to the internals and room for additional storage space. The NUC 9 Pro has two N.2 drive slots and a PCIe connection for a discrete graphics card up to 8 inches long. Overall, if you're looking for a small but powerful computer, the Intel NUC 9 Pro is definitely the way to go, offering more power per cubic inch than any other desktop on the market. So go ahead and get your hands on this beast if you have the budget for it. Introducing the Geekom Mini IT8, our runner-up pick for the best mini PC of 2023. Despite featuring an older 8th Gen Intel Coffee Lake CPU, the Mini IT8 still delivers optimal performance for day-to-day tasks and comes complete with an NVMe drive, 3200 MHz DDR4 RAM, and VESA mount compatibility. It is a great alternative to Intel's NUC and is perfect for energy-efficient servers or small-sized desktops. The four sides of the Mini IT8 are ventilated for efficient cooling, making it perfect for extended use. One of its most striking features is its impressive upgradability, with the ability to install up to 32 GB of SODIMM DDR4 RAM and add a new NVMe drive up to 1 TB, as well as a 2.5-inch SATA drive up to 2 TB. This means you can stack the Mini IT8 with massive amounts of RAM and storage, possibly building a small network-attached storage (NAS) server to create your own personal cloud. With ports that include two USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, a gigabit RJ45 Ethernet connector, USB-C, mini DisplayPort, HDMI connection, and a full-size SD card slot, you can achieve ultra-fast connectivity and storage media, and connect up to 3 monitors with individual ports. The Mini IT8 also features dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, and Bluetooth 4.2. It runs on Windows 11 Pro, but it can also support a Linux desktop distribution. This means that whether you prefer Windows or Linux, the choice is ultimately yours. All of these impressive features come at a very reasonable price point. Check out the different configuration options available on Geek's website and take advantage of promotional offers while they last. The beauty of the Mini IT8 is that you can pretty much do anything on it except play games. If you're happy with Windows, great. But if you want to choose a Linux desktop distribution, the world is your oyster. And if you want to tackle things in the home lab, the Mini IT8 can handle a lot of those entry-level cases too. We were thoroughly impressed with the Geekom Mini IT8. It's affordable, powerful, compact, and easily upgradable. Whether you're looking for a small-sized desktop or an energy-efficient server, the Mini IT8 offers just the right balance of performance, affordability, and power. Introducing the highly anticipated winner of the best mini PC on the market in 2023, the Apple Mac Mini M2. The Mac Mini has evolved significantly in recent years, and the arrival of Apple Silicon has led to dramatic improvements in performance. With the latest M2 processor now available, the Mac Mini has undergone a complete refresh, providing users with more choices and specifications that are comparable to the new MacBook Pro models. The M2 and M2 Pro processors power the two different designs, both of which feature two USB 8 ports, Ethernet, HDMI, headphone output, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. Additionally, both versions have a 16-core neural engine and support a 10-gigabit Ethernet configuration. Our analysis of the Mac Mini included a unit equipped with 8 gigabytes of memory and a 256-gigabit SSD, making it ideal for the average user. All connections, along with the power button and fan vent, are concealed at the back, with only a small power indicator featured on the front. Despite its sleek appearance, accessing the back to plug in a USB stick is somewhat inconvenient. Furthermore, the Mac Mini comes with Mac OS 13 Ventura pre-installed, which is the minimum supported OS. To ensure that any plugins or apps you use are supported by this OS and Apple Silicon, it's important to perform a thorough check beforehand. The M2 Mac Mini is not only suitable for light computing tasks, but it's also a powerful machine that can create genuine content. Both aspiring and professional YouTubers, filmmakers, and 3D artists will appreciate what the M2 Mac Mini offers. The M2 chip outperforms the M1 chip in the previous generation Mac Mini by up to 10% for the CPU and 18% for the GPU, making it ideal for large raw photos or video timelines with multiple clips and effects. With its hardware-accelerated ProRes encoding and decoding machine, the M2 chip is capable of processing professional video files much faster than the M1 Mac Mini. As a result, it's the ultimate device for content creators, regardless of skill level. Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at an unbeatable price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best mini PCs in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.